Hi, I'm Donald Cecil. I'm a civil engineer with Loveland Utilities. I'm here at the intersection of our railroad and 4th Street. We're beginning construction of the replacement of the portion of our water line under the train tracks. Starting on the east side of the tracks, we'll dig an excavation and launch from there a tunneling device that will allow us to install our new water line without disrupting railroad operations. The existing water pipe is approaching 100 years old. It's made of cast iron and is 10 inches in diameter. The existing water line itself does not meet current railroad crossing requirements. This trenchless installation of our new 12-inch PVC water line will be about 200 feet and will be buried within a casing pipe that would allow us to pull that out without encroaching into the railroad right-of-way. That gives our crews ease of maintenance and access in case they need to respond to an emergency. During construction, we expect Railroad Avenue to be closed at the intersection of 4th Street. The actual bore itself is expected to take about 3 weeks, and then an additional week to install the water line through the bore. The reason why we've identified this piece of pipe for replacement is to support future growth in the downtown area and stand the test of time for years to come. We've been coordinating with Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad for over a year now. It's a great effort to make sure that we're ensuring the safety of railroad operations and the public while we're here under construction at the intersection of 4th Street and Railroad. During construction, we'll be monitoring the level of the tracks to make sure that there's no movement. We'll also have traffic controls and flaggers monitoring railroad traffic and vehicle and pedestrian traffic to ensure our safety. The Heart Improvement Plan has been a huge effort of collaboration already between entities within the city, including Public Works, Utilities, Traffic, and the Downtown Development Association. This just adds another layer, including the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad. Replacement of this portion of water line will address one of the key vulnerabilities within our water distribution system and help fulfill our mission to the public and our customers of providing a safe and reliable source of drinking water for years to come.